Ding ding ding, this match is set for the undisputed EWA Championship. Introducing first, weighing 305 pounds, Batista!
Well, good evening everybody. This plans to be a very good match tonight. My colleague and I would like to welcome you to this amazing match.
Yeah. Come on! I want Guerrero in the Rock right now! Well, he looks very mad tonight. He wants his championship.
He looks pumped and ready to go.
Introducing next, the second participant. The Rock! It's The Rock, everybody! Defeating Batista last week!
He looks ready, folks. And he looks mad.
Oh, he's getting out his signature microphone. What do you think he's gonna say? Is the third participant, the undisputed champion, Eddie Guerrero! Eddie Guerrero entering up, interrupting The Rock. Oh, thrown in the chair.
That's not going to go over well, him interrupting The Rock.
Eddie Guerrero. Oh. It's for the title, everybody. Is this the first title defense of tonight? I think it might be the first title defense of tonight.
What kind of match is it tonight?
Hardcore Hell.
Anything goes?
Anything goes. Ding ding ding. Oh my Oh, Batista into the corner. Oh, The Rock.
Out already.
The ladder. Oh, Batista with that ladder. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, God. Yeah. Eddie Guerrero. Oh, nice shot.
Somebody is going to get hurt tonight.
Oh, we know that for sure. Oh, Batista! Batista, oh! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Fan down! Fan down! Fan moving! I don't think the fan's okay. No! No! Spear! Through the barricade! Ah! Microphone to the head! The Rock! The Rock! Oh no, pinning on the outside! But oh my God, Batista! Whoa, Batista! Batista picking The Rock up! Oh!
Oh, look at that show of strength.
Whoa! Oh, nice move by Eddie Guerrero. The reason he was put into this match was because he hasn't defended his title in over 30 days. Oh! Whoa, God! He's gonna use the mic. Whoa! No! Batista bomb! Bomb! Batista bomb! Batista bomb breaking every bone in his body.
chair.
It's going down. Oh, nice punches to the head. Throwing him. Oh. 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 Wait, Eddie
Eddie's
Guerrero.
up.
Eddie Guerrero.
He's gonna fly.
Oh, splash. Oh, no. Nice. Oh, legs. Oh. Remember, Eddie Guerrero does not have to be in the decision of the ending of the match. Oh, super kick. Spare, no, no, whoa, he picks him up. No, whoa, the ladder gets caught. One, oh, whoa, Batista with the power slam. Oh, yeah, Batista. We know you're a Batista. Spare. 1, 2, whoa. Longest reigning champion in this ring, Eddie Guerrero.
How long is it?
Since the second pay-per-view. So I'm saying at least February 2012.
Nice move by Batista.
Oh, he's gonna crush him!
Oh, he's gonna fly.
No, the Rock! Rock bottom! No, Eddie Guerrero sits. Oh.
Oh, he got out of it.
Oh my God! Batista! Whoa, no! No, my God! Oh my God! He did that at No Surrender, or I think it was No Surrender. Whoa, no! Oh, he's got the torture rack on him.
This is gonna work.
Oh, cheap shot! The Rock! Oh! No more wussy punches! Oh! He's got him! Oh, rock bottom!
Look, the fans seem genuinely entertained.
1, 2. Oh, nice! Backbreaker moonsault.
He broke it up.
Oh. No, Eddie Guerrero. Eddie. Oh, he misses, but he gets him into the suplex. Oh. They've got some mouths. He thinks he's The Rock. He is The Rock. No! Oh my God! No! Fans, look out! Fans, look out! Oh! Front row is taken out. Oh, Batista!
Well, when you're in the EWA, even the fans get in the action.
Oh! Oh, he's got him! He's got him in the powerbomb! Oh! Oh, no, he's got him! Spear! No, super kick! But he picks him up! My God! Oh, Eddie's sliding out of the ring. Oh, Eddie not feeling well. The Rock, oh!
Eddie's still on the outside.
Oh! The Rock taken out of action. But Eddie Guerrero being taunted by Batista. champion, Eddie Guerrero.
I don't know how Eddie survived that, but he retains.
Oh wait, The Rock. Oh, holding up his hand. How nice. How nice. But he's got him in the rock bottom. No. Oh, he'll be back, everybody, with Edge versus Cody Rhodes for the second time.